We're gonna make a classic steak frite. For steak frite, you start with an affordable, beautiful piece of meat called hanger steak. This is delicious as is, liberally salted and peppered. I like kosher salt, makes a delicious crust. Coarse black pepper, screaming hot pan. That's really all you need to do. If you want to put it in a quick marinade, my family loves, this is so simple. Take the hanger steaks, throw a couple of cloves of crushed garlic into the dish. I usually put a fat clove on top of each steak, a few sprigs of thyme. That will stay in the pan the entire time that the steaks are cooking. A little Worcestershire, coarse black pepper, fat amount of salt over the shoulder for luck, and a drizzle of olive oil. So we're going to get these guys going, but I have to talk you through the other courses here. We're going to make a quick creamed spinach to go with this. I've already started the pan with a couple of tabs of butter, a couple tablespoons of butter, melted that down. I put in a large shallot, finely chopped, and some finely chopped or grated garlic. You let the garlic and the shallots sweat out a bit. That's what's happened here. And then we're going to sprinkle in, to make our roux or our thickening agent, we're going to sprinkle in a little flour. And then we're going to hit the pan with a little sherry. And we're going to add in about 2/3 of a cup of half and half or heavy cream. So you let this come up to a bubble and you start wilting in the spinach. Fries are really done in 2 stages. The way you get that super crispy, delicious bistro quality frite is to cut thin sticks, 1/4-inch sticks for your fries. Fry them once at 325, take them out and cool them completely. Turn your fat up to 375 and refry your frite right after this. Pull your crushed garlic off to the side, pull your thyme off to the side, flip your steaks. Do not mess with meat when you put it in the pan. You must let it do its thing and get to that deep reddish brown color. Now we need to season this. I'm going to add a little white pepper and black pepper. They hit different parts of your tongue. Anytime I use cream or dark green anything, I use nutmeg because it highlights the flavor of either and both. So we add a little of that. And just before I serve, I add the juice of half a lemon. You have to have acidity in there to cut through the fat in the cream. And we're going to drop our cooled, already fried once fries in our 375 oil. For the dip for that, we're going to make a quick aioli. So to this, I'm going to add a little granulated garlic, some ketchup. We're making a balsamic ketchup aioli. And your balsamic, you want a good aged balsamic. It should be thick and syrupy. You can also make your own balsamic drizzle by reducing it with a little bit of brown sugar until it's this consistency. So we've got our dipping sauce ready. Our steaks are flipped. We've got our fries cooking. Come on back and we'll serve our bistro supper. My last basket of frites is out. I salted them generously with fine sea salt. I'm adding lemon juice to my perfect creamed spinach. Lovely, turn that off. We're going to finish our steaks by butter basting them. Melt a little butter down into our pan. Steaks have got that flavor of Worcestershire, crushed garlic, and thyme. Basting those beautiful babies. Yeah, baby. These guys will rest up a bit. And we'll take some of our creamed spinach with the sherry alongside. I know. And then our screaming hot frite. Lovely. And our balsamic ketchup aioli dipper to go alongside for those babies. And steak knives.